Tonight is our last night at this resort, Don Carlos Resort in Marbella, Spain. It was so nice to be here and be on the beach and swimming in the ocean. I always love being by the ocean because we live in Calgary, which is nowhere near the ocean in Canada, so it's really nice to be by the ocean. It was so hot here, and after being in Barcelona and Madrid, it was so nice to be just relaxing by the ocean. And the one day that we went to Gibraltar was amazing. You can watch a separate video of just our day in Gibraltar, but it was such a lovely time here at the Don Carlos Resort in Marbella, Spain. Here's one last view of what I'm looking at before I go to bed. And then tomorrow we are up early to catch a bus to Malaga, and then a train from Malaga to Madrid, and then Madrid to Barcelona. And then we have one night in Barcelona, and then we're flying Barcelona to Toronto, Toronto to Calgary. So we have a lot of buses, trains, and planes left. But here's the last view of Marbella, Spain from our room. It's stunning. I'm gonna miss it here. Bye. Malaga Airport, or train station. We're not at the airport.
Have you gotten up the tour from the train?
No. This train station is probably the smallest out of Madrid, and Madrid is probably the biggest.
Madrid was bigger than this, but I think this is about as big as the Barcelona track situation. Like, I think they have as many train tracks, it's just different.
Yeah.
It doesn't have several floors. I kind of like this better. If it was, that was the same with Madrid. There was no place to stay in Madrid unless you bought it.
So you just come in right there, and then the trains are right here, which is different than all the other ones. Yeah, Barcelona we had to go like down an escalator, and then Madrid also down an escalator.
Madrid down an escalator, Barcelona down an escalator.
Yeah.
The Madrid one wasn't really underground though, as much as the building was built up.
Yeah.
But in Barcelona it was
Underground, yeah.
Get all this stuff on. You're gonna have to grab this bag and I'll carry our 2 bags up. Okay?
Okay. It's light out now.
It's so long. Yeah, sunrise is at 7:22, remember?
16? Oh my goodness. We're in 6.
There's gonna be like a meal car in here, so probably more than that. So it was a second, I got
Oh, okay. It's an absolute gong show in here. Oh my god, what is all over my face? We finally made it to our hotel room at the Barcelona Sants train station, and it's super bizarre, but we had like the longest day of traveling, so we're just really happy to be here. But it's like a really interesting little hotel room. It's like space themed, but also like this is the bathroom, and then there's like this little section out here, and then this is the safe, which I've never seen a safe that pulled out like that before. I don't even know how to open that. Does that even... Oh, it's like a giant mirror. You can close that, and then it's a giant mirror. And also we have 2 twin beds, but they're pushed together, so it's like a king bed. And then a little fridge with some waters. But yeah, it's very interesting. There's like a light back there, and like, I don't even know what this is. A weird space globe. Oh, lots of mirrors. There's kind of mirrors everywhere in here. And then over here, there's like some sort of, this is our view. And there's some sort of interesting little park thing over there. It just feels like, I don't know, like a cruise ship or something.
Yeah, it feels more like that than a
It's just really interesting. Not as comfortable as our other egg tray?
No.
Look at this one.
I don't think I'd get out of that one.
Whoa. I kind of like it. Oh, it doesn't spin good.
Stay there for a second.
Space. The mirrors trip me out because it looks like it's bigger than it is. Oh, where are we? I got a big ol' sangria on our last night in Barcelona. Or our last night in Spain.
Can I try it?
Yes.
It's killing me inside. It looks like it's delicious, but I don't
Try it.
like it.
You don't like wine. Do you like it?
More than I've ever liked wine before, but not really. The aftertaste is what kills it. If it only tasted the way it tasted when I first sipped it, it was good, it was fruity. Then it tastes like wine at the end. We have to try one. Oh, I don't like that at all.
R2D2. Okay.
Last night we would have walked over here.
Yeah.
Or casino, sorry.
Security was an absolute breeze in Barcelona. And now we're just exploring the airport and it's so big. There's a ginormous everything.
More duty free.
I've already bought a mug.
Hey, this is how it goes.
Where we're going? Holy.
Let's look for Toronto.
Even the airport has mosaics.
Oh, the chair. See the chair?
Yeah. What store is this? Is it knick-knacky things?
See, I bet accurate.
What's going on with the seatbelt?
The thing weighs like 3 pounds.
We got like sweet amount of leg room, but look at the seatbelt.
I literally I have like a mash hammer, like a small hand, like one hand sledgehammer at home that weighs less than this.
It's intense.
That is like brutal. There's no I don't know what that one's from. It's not even black one.
It's just like a plain plane.
Oh, she might be. C13C, just one who wants to be a
Now that we've been all the places we are going, we've been to Barcelona, Madrid, Marbella, and Gibraltar. Which was your favorite place?
So hard.
Rank them. We decided Madrid was our least favorite place, but the best food.
Yes.
We had the best food in Madrid, but it was our least... Not that we didn't like it, it just was our least favorite.
And it's not even that we didn't have good food other places. It was just really... We lucked out with the places we went. We just, like, every restaurant choice we made was just
But even,
the
like,
right
the
one.
gelato was good we had there.
That gelato saved our lives.
It was so hot. Madrid was too hot. I think maybe I would enjoy it more when it's not 40 degrees.
Yeah. To rank it is really hard for me because, like, I really enjoyed Gibraltar, but I think I'm going to have to go... Barcelona, then Gibraltar, then Marbella, and then Madrid. And I'm not knocking any of those places. They're all fantastic. I would go back to any of them any day.
Yeah, I just think
But
that...
you kind of put me on the spot here and left me no option.
I think that if somebody asked me and they could only go to one place, like say they only had like 3 days or whatever, I would tell them to go to Barcelona.
I think so too.
Because it has the ocean, it has the architecture, it has the good food, it has everything.
The people.
The people
everywhere have been fantastic.
I did really like that park in Madrid.
I wish we could have spent more time there if it was open for... Madrid was great.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. You making me rank it is hard because like I loved every minute of this trip. My peak from the whole trip so far, just being with my wife.
Aw, my peak was being with my husband.
Corny.
And...
The monkeys.
The macaques. I loved the monkeys. Seeing monkeys in their own, like, in the wild.
The only monkey population in Europe.
Yes.
Yep.
And they only live on that rock.
There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go.